smooth dancing. We're going to move on now to the tango. Some staccato movements, please. Thank you very much, Maestro. Congratulations on our beautiful Viennese waltz. And let's just take a moment while they get their breath back to introduce you to the couples. Let's have from Belgium number 1, please. Put your hands together. And from England number 25. From Belgium number 26. From Denmark, number 30. Lovely, that should give you a little breather, so we can continue on now with our foxtrot.
So far
Another smashing foxtrot. Elegant. Beautiful. So we will follow this competition with competition number 23, the Giro D-Class Latin American. But in the meantime, we'd like to see your quick step. Good luck, everybody. Music to our ears, and thank you for the lovely final. Well done. We're going to move on now to event 21, which is the Giro D-Class Latin, class 2. And we'd like to see couple number 12, please, from Germany. Thank you. Congratulations on making this final. And we'd like to see your samba first. Cha-cha first then. Music says cha-cha first. Okay, ladies? And we will be following this with samba. So, here we go. Music on screen.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your DJ.
please, because we're going to move on now with the Showdance Championship for people with special needs duo event. So the chairs are coming. And judges, this will not be in numerical order, they will be all over the place on the numbers, just so you know. Just so you know. So event 658, Showdance. Duo for special needs. The first couple will be number 116 from Greece, Eleni and Elena. Do we have enough chairs, judges? 116, yes. Gary, you're judging. Brian, you're judging. We need another chair, please. Otherwise you're sitting on people. They're fighting to give you a chair. Okay. So all the way from Greece, we have Eleni and Elena. This is your duo, 116. Ready, judges? Thank you, judges. Music, please. Thank you very much. Music, please.
heart beat fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I've died every night waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. I have died every night waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Beautifully danced. Thank you very much. Well done. The third competitor is 112, Petrus and Michaela. Music, please. Thank you, Petrus and Michaela. Well done. Thank you very much. And now we have 110 from Greece, also Paris and Angelina. Music, please. The next competitor is 111, Theodoros and Fortina, also from Greece. 111 is next, judges.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows straight to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. So take my hand. Take my whole life too.
Thank you very much. Well done.
where you're from. See, I'm tight, it doesn't matter where you're at. This man, I'm putting up for you have done. When I start the thing, me don't start the thing until the thing is done. I stand full like a rock, I take a stumble and laugh. And me turn and make a step, brain stones, and I never give up. I never give in. All of my life I went through struggle, living was still a soldier on the front line. They didn't know the victory is mine, 'cause I never give up, I never give in. But myself I have to live to the pain. Always me there, I'm running out to feel. Love is my weapon, my faith is my shield. From anxiety, always needed proof. I guess you could say I was a sinner. I went to school, but you play me like a fool. Never digging your support from the teacher. And in my search, I ended up in the church. I felt I could not trust the preacher. We got to find the world of everybody. The God of love is in me, they bring me because I never give up, I never give in. All of my life I went through struggle, living was still a soldier on the front line. They didn't know the victory is mine, 'cause I never give up, I never give in. But myself I have to live to the pain. Always me there, I'm running out of fear. Love is my weapon, my faith is my shield. And even if the critics separate me, I'm never giving up, no way. And to all the weak and to hate me, I'm never giving up, no way. All when the wicked won't fight me, I'm never giving up, no way. Even the tragedy strike me, I never know. I never give in. All of my life I went through struggle, living was still a soldier on the front line. They didn't know the victory is mine, 'cause I never give up, I never give in. But myself I have to learn to depend. Always me there, I'm running out of fear. Love is my weapon, my faith is my shield. 'Cause I never give up, I never give in. All of my life I went through struggle, living was still a soldier on the front line. They didn't know the victory is mine, 'cause I never give up, I never give in. But myself I have to learn to depend. Always me there, I'm running out of fear. Love is my weapon, my faith is my shield.
Thank you very much. Welcome, Alison and Louise. Thank you very much. And the last competitors are 118, Christian and Maria, also from Malta. We will be following this competition with event 21, so please stand by for your second final. Yay, well done. 118, this is judges. Thank you. Music, please. 21, the duo dance D Latin Class American Class 2. Number 12 from Germany, we would like to see you, please, for your second final. Don't worry, judges, just leave it in there, it's fine. Okay, ladies, are you ready for your cha-cha? Have our judges? Competition event 21, duo dance D Latin American Class 2. Cha-cha-cha, music maestro, please. Thank you, ladies, for that wonderful cha-cha-cha. We'd like to find your places now for your samba. Thank you, ladies. Thank you very much for that samba and your second final of the day. Thank you. Moving swiftly along to event 17. This is Duo 4 Dance Latin American Class 2. And we'd like to see numbers 25, 35, 36 and 37. 4 couples in this final, judges. Please place. And we have 4. Lovely. We'll start off with the cha-cha-cha.
Don't have to be down.
we're going to move on to your second Latin dance, which is your samba. So, places please, it's samba time. Your third Latin dance of this event is the rumba. Nice, slow rumba. So we will begin with music.
Tonight, baby, till I get by my side, baby. Just wait until tonight, baby. Being with you, just wait. Just wait.
We're going to continue this final with the final dance, which is your Casa Doble. Music, please. Well done. Thank you. Great final. Thank you, competitors. Okay, we're going to follow this event with the Combi Ballroom Championships Class 2. But judges, number 4 needs to be deleted. Number 4 from the Netherlands, please delete off your paperwork. Combi Ballroom Championships Class 2. Event number 2. Couples 1, 3 and 5, please. I wrote it. Okay. Couples, we have 3. It's waltz time. Beautiful music and lovely dancing. Thank you, competitors. That was your first dance. We're going to move along to your second dance. You know what it is? It's tango. Thank you very much, competitors. That was lovely. Some beautiful dancing today. I'm very lucky to see all this fabulous dancing. We only have 3 in this final, but 3 great dances. 6 great dances, 3 great couples. So space yourself out. It's Viennese Waltz.
Some people long for a life that is simple and plain, tied with a ribbon. Some people won't sail the sea 'cause they safer on land. To follow what's written, but I follow you to the great unknown. Off to a world new. We're walking a tightrope high in the sky. We can see the whole down below. We're walking a tightrope, never sure, never know how far we could fall. But it's all an adventure that comes with taking you.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's introduce them individually to give them a breather after that long dance. So, from Belgium, number 1. From Germany, number 3. And from the Netherlands, number 5. You've got your supporters here. It's good to hear. Okay. Big deep breath. It's foxtrot. Slow foxtrot. Thank you very much. Well done. Another exciting dance. It moves us along now to the very last dance of this final. So it's quick step. Are you ready? Let's hit it then. Quick step.
I love me. I love me. I don't know about you, but baby, I love me.
Try to play me like a game.
dancers. Well done for that fabulous final. Well done. We're going to move on now with the Senior 1 and 2 Latin American Challenge Cup. And we'd like to see numbers 70 and 72 to the floor for your final, your second final of the day. So we would like, please, for you to start with your cha-cha-cha. Thank you, dancers. Thank you very much for that lovely cha-cha-cha. We'd like you to get yourselves ready to do your samba. We're off to Rio. Thank you, dancers. Fabulous samba. Gonna slow things down with the rumba. A nice, sexy rumba.
I'm still
music today? Someone's awake. Okay, let's move on with your pass doble, please. Let's introduce them. So we have from England, couple number 70, Ian and Victoria. And from Malta, number 72, Daniel and Cheryl. Thank you very much, competitors. It's jive time. Well done. Lovely choo-choo train. Yeah, who is your favourite? Come on. You've all fallen asleep. You want to know who your favourite is. Otherwise, we can give this job to someone else. Okay. Duo four dance, Latin American class 2. It's your turn. That's event 17. We'd like to see couples 25, 35, 36 and 37 to the floor, please, for your second final. Event 10, please stand by. We have two, we need two more. So we need 25, 35, 36 and 37. Yay, they're here now. We have 4 dances, and it's cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha! We know where we're going next. We're going to the samba in this corner. Okay. Places, please. Music ready. Here we go.
¿Cómo estás, señorita? Ich check auf Snapchat, was du machst. Was du machst. Mamacita, ich zeige dir die schönsten Orte. Auf dieser Welt hast du schon gepackt. Hast du schon gepackt. Señorita, sie nervt wie eine Liebe. Sie sticht so wie FIFA. Fast nur von Urlaub und Shisha. Viva, vita loca mamacita. Spruchlos mit der Lisa. Direkt Welt in der Costa Rica. Du bist so sexy und du willst da. Fahren wir Jetski, ich check deine Insta-Story. Ohne jedes von mir. Etwas Snapchat, ich deine Beste. Bist du bei mir auch? Ich dich direkt weg, ich check deine Insta-Story. Ohne jedes von dir. Oh, Mann, ich folge dir auf Instagram, Snapchat deine Storys ab. Über den Koch ist jeder Rapper deinem Body schwach. Ich geb dir Doppeltap und like deine Bilder. Du hast ihn gar nicht nötig, diesen scheiß Hundefilter. Nicely, Kevin oder Kylie. Du kannst alles machen, Baby, siehst das unter High Heels. Wow, Sightseeing, du darfst bei mir einziehen. Guck, wie sie bereit liegt, deine Fülle, kleine Jeans.
Thank you, competitors. Well done. 2 down, 2 more to go. Gonna slow it down for your rumba. So find a space and let's have the music.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in my heart. Would you hold my hand
25 from England, take your bow. Number 35 from Poland, take a bow. And 36 from Poland, your turn to take a bow. And 37 from Belgium, take a bow too. Hopefully you've got your breath back and you're ready for your pass to double. Music maestro. Well done. Thank you very much. And we're going to move on with event 10, the Combi D Class 4 and Class 2. Numbers 21 and 22 from the Netherlands. Event 10, Combi D Class 4 and Class 2. We have a costume malfunction, so we just have to wait a few minutes, please. Judges, we have a few minutes to wait because they have danced in the previous event and they're dancing in the next one because if not, the competition got cancelled. We're okay? Fantastic. Okay, may I have my judges back, please, to the floor? We were going to go with event 10, the Combi D class ballroom class 2, waltz and quick step. So if I may have my judges, it would be lovely. And the couples are number 21 and 22 from the Netherlands. Come on, put your hands together for them. It says on here Netherlands. I do. 22 is Belgium, okay. Can we have your waltz, please?
You see, I haven't been the same since that cold November day. We said we needed space, but all we found was an empty place. And the only things I learned is that I need you desperately. So here I am.
Come on, wherever you are, let's see you tell your friends, your family. Well done. Put your hands together for these two couples with their duel of the giants. They just danced their waltz and they're now going to take place for battle for their quick step. So, places please. Judges ready. Music maestro. Here we go. Well done. Can we have some chairs for the judges, please, for the show dance, which will be following this? And the running order will be different again. We are the show dance group with special needs. Event 60 is the next event. Do I have 7 judges? Jeff, Robert, Heidi, Ray, Corey, Mario. So I have my 7? Yes. Mario, yes. No. Yes. Mario, yes. Yeah, then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 7. Okay. So group number 1 is 1, 2, 0 from Greece. 1, 2, 0 is the first group. This will be followed by group 1, 2, 3 from Poland. So the first group is 1, 2, 0, followed by group 1, 2, 3 from Poland. We're ready, music please.
The human world, it's a mess. Life and the disease, better than anything we got up there. You see, we is always really nice. It's all about us, isn't it? You dream about going out there. That is the best thing. Just look at the world around you. Riding on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea.
Thank you very much. The next group is 1, 2, 3, Barbie from Poland, please. 1, 2, 3, Barbie from Poland. Lovely. Following this will be 1, 2, 2, for also from Poland. Music, please.
Doesn't seem to matter what I do. I'm always number 2. No one knows how hard I tried. Oh, I have feelings that I can't explain, driving me insane. All my life been so blind, 'cause I'm just a kid.
From Poland, without barriers dance. 1, 2, 2, without barriers dance, please. 1, 2, 3, this one is 1, 2, 2. Also from Poland.
Che mi pensa proprio un cavolo.
Okay, ready? Thank you. Music, please.
Però il discorso è stata puntata.
Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I will smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain. Dancing in the rain.
Well done. Let's hope we don't get any rain. Congratulations on that performance. And the final group in this competition from Greece is 1-2-1. Music, please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Next competition is event 10. The Com-based D-Class Forum Class 2. Horse and Quickstep. Couples 21 and 22. One from Holland and one from Belgium. This is your second final. Thank you, judges. Thank you, competitors. And thank you, music.
Clear skies and drying eyes. Now I see your smile. Darkness goes and softness shows a changing style. Just in time, words that rhyme will bless your soul. Now I'll fill your hands with kisses and Tootsie Roll. Reality is not for me, and it makes me laugh. Oh, fantasy world and Disney girls, I'm coming back. Patty cake and summer days on an old Cape Cod. Happy times.
Thank you very much. Let's introduce them to the judges who they are. So take a bow, number 21, please, from the Netherlands. And number 22 from Belgium, take a bow too. Thank you, competitors. It's Quickstep time.
Here I am, I'm on my own. For the first time, really on my own. So I'll make it, will it work alright? Can I make it through the night? And I go, I am flying. Look at me, I'm riding high. I'm the airborne master of the sky. And everything beneath me seems to fade, without a trace, without a shade. And I go,
Thank you very much, competitors. Well done. And it brings us to the very last final of the day. And it's Event 2, Combi Ballroom Championship Class 2. Waltz, Tango, Viennese Waltz, Foxtrot and Quick Step. 5 dances. Judges, please delete number 4. They're no longer dancing. So we'd like to see couples 1, 3 and 5 to the floor. And it's time for your waltz. Spread yourselves out and enjoy this last waltz of the day.
And for a moment in time, I could feel I was free. There are waves of forgiveness and waves of regret, and the first waves of true love I never forget. In the meadow of the morning, as they wandered there were green waves of yearning for life, still unknown. Taking on to the land that cradles my heart, where the waves reach as far as you can see. Taking on to the land too long apart, I can still hear
Thank you, competitors. Well danced. Lovely waltz. Take your places now for your tango. Music maestro, here we go.
Vámonos.
Thank you, competitors. And let's introduce this fighter to you one last time for today. Number 1 from Belgium. Take a bow. Number 3 from Germany. Take a bow. And number 5 from the Netherlands. Take a bow. Okay, we've had our bows, it's time for Guinea's Waltz. Enjoy. Beautifully danced. Lovely Guinea's Waltz. Well done, competitors. A big deep breath. Take your places for the foxtrot. A lovely slow foxtrot. Music, please.
Love is the sweetest thing, what else on earth could ever bring such happiness to everything. That's love's old story. Love is the strangest thing, no song of birds upon the wind shall in our hearts more sweetly sing. Love's old story. Whatever hearts may desire, whatever life may send, this is a tale that never will tire. This is a song without end. Love is the greatest thing, the oldest, yet the latest thing.
Well done, dancers. Congratulations on a lovely final so far. Okay, you can put your hands together for the judges one more time. Heidi, step forward, take a bow, please. Mario, step forward and take a bow. Gilly, step forward and take a bow. Ryan, it's your turn, take a bow. Connie, come forward, take a bow. Robert, take a bow, please. Ivana, take a bow. And Jeff, please come back to the floor. Take a bow. Thank you, judges, for all your hard work. Competitors, it's your quick step.
And you can't keep a good girl down. She's on
Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the first day of our event. I would like to say thank you very much to a few people. One would be Leslie Dodd for all the hard work. Leslie, I would like to thank Steve. Steve is very quiet, but he's the support behind. I'd like to thank the lady that's called Cheryl for the support that she gives the competition, and her husband, who's a fantastic music man. There's a guy here who's been pressing buttons all day long. I don't know what the hell he's been doing, but he's done a good job with the light. So, please, hands together for Chris. For the team who have done a really good job of the filming, and to their boss. Right, we've got a few other people I want to thank. The emergency from Gozo, first aid. Thankfully, we've never needed you. But thank you very much. There's a few other people who helped me who I really would like to mention. So, I have Wolfgang, who is one. I have Marsha, who is another. She won't take a bow. She won't take a bow. Mian for her help on the competitors' desk. Maria for helping by the door. Everybody else from the Piccadilly Dance Studio. And two other people, and I've lost him. Jeff. I don't know where the heck he's gone. But we couldn't do that without him. There he is. All of the ranks in the house have been his doing. All of the backcloths are his doing. All of the running backwards and forwards are his doing. And last but not least, I don't know where he is either, and that's my son Jonathan. I have no idea where he is either. But without the support of these people, this would not have happened. I cannot do it all on my own. I have one other couple I nearly forgot, and that's this lovely couple over here. They are responsible for all the trophies being put out in the right order. A big job, believe me. So thank you, Mariella, and thank you, Tony. I actually got it right. Have I forgotten anybody? Please put your hand up if I have. Oh yes, Natasha, blue hair. Tiziana, Daniela, last but not least, my partner in crime, Sarah. To all the staff and crew of MCAST, I really thank you for all the hard work you've done today. One person more apart, because without him, we wouldn't have got on the bus probably. If it was up to me, we'd probably end up in Gozo.
And give a big applause for Pippa.
I forgot Micah. This lady here does a lot of work. Micah. Right. We're going on to the presentation, I believe, yes?
Can we have all the competitors of today on the floor? All the competitors. come on the floor. We start with competition number 2. Combi Championship Class 2. On the third place, Andreas and Bettina from Germany. On the second place, with start number 1, Elina Greet from Belgium. And the winner of today, from the Netherlands, with start number 5, Rosanna and Kimberly. Thank you, couples. Next competition is competition number 9. There was only one couple with start number 20 from Germany, Luis and Andreas. Competition number 10, Comedy Class 2. On the second place with number 21, Hans and Alice from the Netherlands. And the winner of today from Belgium, Marcel and Linda. Next competition, competition 14, Duo Class 2. On the fourth place, from England, Poppy and Peter. On the third place, from Denmark, Bo and Nina. On the second place, from Belgium, Marcel and Linda. And the winner of today, Eline and Greet from Belgium. Competition number 17, duo 4 dance class 2 Latin. On the 4th place, from England, Poppy and Peter. On the 3rd place, from Belgium, Steffi and Sophie. On the 2nd place, from Poland, Kasper and Katarzyna. And the winner of today from Poland, Lucas and Ewa. Thank you, couples. Next competition, 21, duo D class 2 Latin. On the 1st place, Courtney and Linda from Germany. Competition 29, single in the conventional championship class 2. We had 7 ladies in the final. On the 7th place from Poland, Ewa. On the 6th place from Belgium, Great. On the 5th place, from Poland, Martina. On the 4th place, from Poland, Joanna. On the 3rd place, from the Netherlands, Rosanna. On the 2nd place, from Finland, Brigitta. And the winner of today, from Belgium, Eline. Thank you, ladies. We continue with competition 31, men's single conventional champ class 2. On the 2nd place from Poland, Kasper. Competition 37, Senior Challenge Club Class 1. Only one couple from Malta, Danielle and Cheryl. Next competition is 39, Senior Challenge Club Class 2. Only one couple from England, Ian and Victoria. Competition 46, Senior over 50 Class C Latin. From Malta, Danielle and Cheryl. Next competition is competition 47, Senior over 50 Class C Standard. On the second place from Malta, David and Lorraine. And the winner of today from Malta, Danielle and Cheryl. Competition 50, Single Showdown Championship Class 1 Freestyle. On the 5th place from Finland, Christina. On the 4th place from England, Claire. On the 3rd place from Belgium, Mirte. On the 2nd place from Denmark, Nina. And the winner of today from Belgium, Stephanie Jangerman. Next competition, competition 58, Showdown Championship for people with special needs freestyle. On the 7th place from Malta, Christiana and Maria. On the 6th place from Greece, Petros and Michaela. On the 5th place from Greece, Paris and Angelina. Next competition, Juvenile Championship for people with special needs freestyle. On the 2nd place, from Greece, Angelina. Competition 59B, Showdance Adult Championship for people with special needs freestyle. On the 4th place from Greece, Theodoros.
I've waited patiently. I have vision what I need. I know I can count me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions.
On the 2nd place from Greece, Eleni.
For the champions, for the champions.
And the winner of the day from Poland, Magdalena. with special needs freestyle. On the fourth place, from Greece, Group 1, is the big group, fourth place. On the third place, from Greece, Group 2. The third place is that as well. Yeah. On the second place, from Poland, Dance Without Barriers. And the winner of today, from Poland, Swinging Duet. Congratulations for all who have transport. The buses are over there. I'm waiting, so be as quick as possible to the buses.